Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hope you all are fine. My name is Naila Bilkis. I am your mathematics teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. Today we will start revision lecture number 4, Mathematics of class 4. The topics which we will discuss today are division and the mass rule. Firstly, we will discuss the components of the division. There are some specific components of division like dividend, divisor, remainder, and quotient. The number which is inside the division sign is known as dividend, and the number which is outside the division sign is known as divisor. And the number which is above the division sign is known as quotient, and the number which remains after is known as remainder. Now we will start exercise number 1C. Question number 8. Write in long division form and divide. Part D is we have to divide 6593 by 72. Firstly, we will write them in this way. Dividend will be inside the division sign and divisor is outside the division sign. Firstly, we will take the first digit which is at thousands place inside the division sign, which is 6. As 6 is less than 72, so we cannot divide it by 72. So we will take the next digit with it, which is 5 at hundreds place, and it becomes 65. Also 65 is less than 72, so we cannot divide it by 72. Then we will take the next digit, which is 9 at hundreds place with them, and it becomes 659. As 659 is greater than 72, so we can divide it them by 72. But with which number? Here we will read the table of 7 from 72, and 7 9 times is 63, which is closest to 65. So we will read the table of 72 up to 9, and 72 9 times is 648. So we will write 9 above the division sign and 648 will be below. Now by subtracting 648 by 659, we will get 11 in the remainder. And next we will bring down the next digit, which is 3 at ones place below, and it becomes 113. Now we have to divide 113 by 72. We will read the table of 7 from 72, and 7 1 times is 7, which is closest to 11. So we will read the table of 72 up to 1. 72 1 times is 72. So we will write 1 above the division sign and 72 below. Now by subtracting them, we will get 41 in the remainder. So our final answer will be 91 remainder 41. Now we will start the Dumas rule. Dumas rule stands for D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Here are some rules to solve the questions. Rule number 1 is, if in any question there comes two operations together, whether they are addition and subtraction or multiplication and division, अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में दो ऑपरेशंस इकट्ठे आ जाएं, या तो वो एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन के हों या फिर मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, then we will use the rule number 1, which is we will start working from the left side. Now exercise number 1D, question number 4, solve. Part D is 144 divided by 9 multiplied by 4. Let's see the solution. Here in this question there are two operations coming together, division and multiplication, and according to rule number 1, if they will come together, we will start working from the left side, and on its left side here is the division operation. So we will divide 144 by 9. So by dividing them, we will get 16. And multiply 4 will come as it is. Now here is only one operation, that is of multiplication. So we will multiply 16 by 4, and 16 4 times is 64, which is the final answer. Now, rule number 2. According to rule number 2 is, if in any question there comes multiplication operation with addition or subtraction, अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेशन एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑपरेशन के साथ आ जाए तो हम डिमैश रूल के अकॉर्डिंग उसको सॉल्व करते हैं. और इन अनदर केस, इफ डिवीजन ऑपरेशन कम्स विद एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन, then we will also solve that question according to Demas rule. Now let's see the question number 6. Solve. G part is 120 divided by 12 multiplied by 3 minus 15. Let's see the solution. Here in this question there are 3 operations: division, multiplication and subtraction. So we will use the Demas rule here, and according to Demas rule, which operation comes first? Division operation. So firstly we will divide. Here we will divide 120 by 12. We will read the table of 12. 12 10 times is 120. And multiply 3 minus 15 will come as it is. Now here are 2 operations, multiplication and subtraction. And according to rule number 2, which operation comes first in Demas rule? Multiplication. So we will multiply here first. We will multiply 10 by 3, and 10 3 times is 30, and minus 15 will come as it is. Here is only one operation, which is of subtraction. So we will subtract them. We will subtract 15 from 30 and we will get 15, which is the final answer. Now if you have any questions, then you can ask them in the comment box below. Thank you.